What's up, YouTube? And welcome to this edition of Fact or Fiction Photography. On this edition, we're going to talk about camera bags. What kind of camera bags? Well, specifically the camera bags that look like suitcases. They are astronomical in prices. However, I have the perfect DIY solution to that camera bag need. So stay tuned because this edition of Fact or Fiction Photography starts now. I promised to show you how I made this amazing bag, and here it is. It all started right here with this orange insert. I found this insert on eBay for $30. However, I messaged the seller and asked him if he would take 20 with shipping. I'd do a buy now. He said yes. There you go. 20 bucks with shipping. However, remember that this was purchased from a China seller, and those were the only ones that I could find who sold these inserts affordable on eBay. So do expect 2 to 3 weeks for shipping if you purchase one from a China seller. So once I was able to find the insert, have it delivered, I then went to work on the bag. Once I had the dimensions, I knew the size of the bag I needed to get. This is the American Tourister I Light bag. Several reasons why I like this bag. First and foremost, I can take it on an airplane. That is the most amazing part. It fits perfectly under my seat or in an overbin storage compartment. And to me, that's worth the price of admission. I paid $37 for this bag on Amazon. However, be careful. The prices constantly change on this bag for some reason. It goes from $37, I've seen it all the way up to $60. So shop and wait and get it for $37. So between the two, I have this amazing camera bag on wheels for $57. Now that we see the bag, let's put it together and let's see how much stuff this bag will hold. Let's go ahead and open this bag up and see how well the insert actually fits inside the American Tourister. As you can see, it fits perfectly in this bag. I mean, there is no room around the edges for anything. This insert and this bag go well together. You're going to be amazed when you see how much stuff I take out of this bag. It's going to be incredible. Let's start off with the two top pockets. It has this pocket here, which normally I keep 1 or 2 sandbags in. I do a lot of photography down at the beach. This comes in handy holding my tripod in place. Then I have the quick access pocket, as I call it. And in this pocket I keep things that I need access to quick, like batteries, SD cards, remote, endless. Next, in the compartment down below, this compartment helps to keep me very organized. As you can see, I can hold pens, business cards. I have my MacBook Pro in here, which I normally keep in a sleeve, but for the purpose of making this video. I carry a set of reflectors with me. I carry my gels for my off-camera flash. I carry this little pouch for my filters. And my rocket blower. You know what I like best about the rocket blower? Is you can set it down without it rolling off. Amazing. Now to the main compartment of this bag. You open it up and I have this mesh zipper area where you can just about stow anything in it. And then we get to the part where we house all the gear. Again, another mesh pocket. I normally keep some extra batteries for my flashes in here, or my white balance cards, whatever. So keep in mind that I normally have the body we're shooting with now and the lens in this bag, along with this lens, this lens, this lens, 1, 2 off-camera flashes, 2 more sets of filter packs, camera strap, not 1, but 2 flash diffusers, hoods and lens caps, trigger for my flash, my charger. I'm able to get all this stuff into this little suitcase. So here you have it, folks. We took this amazing little sleeve and this tiny little suitcase and we turned it into this amazing little camera bag. Folks, the options are endless to what you can carry in it and to where you can take it. Whether it's airplane, cruise ship, no matter what, you can bring it. So, for this edition of Fact or Fiction Photography within Fact, you can have an affordable DIY camera bag that you can bring anywhere you want. Folks, if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe, help me grow this channel. So for this edition of Fact or Fiction Photography, goodbye.